Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 video for cost management lab in software project management. In the last video we have created two files which is nothing but lab2 input data and lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7a. We have entered hourly rates for all the human resources and cost for all the material resources. And this is how our lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7a file looks like. So in the next step we have to generate the cost table. So to do that, go to View, click on Gantt chart, click more views, then select Task Sheet, click Apply. So now we have to generate cost table. To do that, go to View menu. Here you can find the tables. So click on that. Now select Cost. So this is the cost table. Now we have to delete all the columns. Select all the columns and click delete. So except task name column, we have to delete all the columns. So I have deleted all the columns. Now we have to insert a new column which is nothing but cost column. To do that, go to Format menu, click Insert column. Now type cost. Click Enter. Now our cost column is populated. Now save the file. Go to your lab2 underscore outcomes folder. Now save the file as lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7b. So in the next step we have to add baseline cost column. To do that, go to Format menu, click Insert column. Now type baseline cost. So by default baseline cost column is 0. If your column is automatically populated as 0, now we have to set baseline. To do that, go to Project, click on Set Baseline. So here Set Baseline is baseline. Now we have to set baseline for entire project. So select entire project, then click OK. Now our baseline cost is automatically populated for all the tasks. Now save the file. As lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7c. In the next step, we have to add another column which is nothing but cost variance column. So to insert new column, go to Format menu, click Insert column. Now type cost variance. So by default cost variance is 0. We have to save the file. As lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7d. Now in the next step we have to add actual cost column. Go to Format menu, click Insert column. Now type actual cost. So our actual cost column is automatically populated for all the tasks. Now save the file. As lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7e. In the next step, we have to add remaining cost column. Go to Format menu, click Insert column. Now type remaining cost. So our remaining cost column is automatically populated for all the tasks. Now save the file as lab2 underscore outcome underscore 7f. So in the next step, we have to generate reports. So navigate to Report menu, select Cost, then click Cash Flow. So this is Cash Flow report. So we have to save this file. To do that, click on File menu, click Print. Now select Microsoft XPS document writer, then click print. So we have to save the file in our lab2_outcomes folder. We have to save the file with our class ID, course number, and lab2_outcome_7G. So now we have to generate another report, which is nothing but budget cost report. So now go to report menu, click visual reports. So a new window appear here. So we have to select budget cost report, then click view. So it is generating budget cost report. It will generate in an Excel sheet. So this is budget cost report. Now we have to save the file. So in order to save the file, click on print. Now select Microsoft XPS document writer, then click print. So in the same folder, in our lab2_outcomes folder, we have to save the file with 7H. lab2_outcome_7H. So we have generated 2 reports. So in the next step, we have to set the baseline for specific reports. To do that, we have to go to our previous file, which is nothing but lab2_outcome_7B. So now we have to open the 7B file. So this is how our 7B file looks like. So now we have to add new column, which is nothing but baseline start. Select the column. Now go to format menu, click insert column. Now type baseline start. So here it's baseline 1 start. So we have to insert a new column, which is nothing but baseline 1 start. So we have to add another column, which is nothing but baseline 1 start. So to do that, go to format menu, click insert column. Now type baseline 1 finish. So we have inserted baseline 1 start and baseline 1 finish. So we have to add another column, which is nothing but baseline 1 cost. So to do that, go to format menu, click on insert column. Now type baseline 1 cost. So it is by default 0, so we have to set baseline 1. So in order to set baseline for specific tasks, we have to go to project, click select set baseline. Now select baseline 1 and select for selected task, then click OK. So we have selected only one task, but we have to select for project plan 2. So select all the tasks which you want to set baseline. Now go to project menu, click on set baseline. Now select baseline 1 for selected tasks, then click OK. So we have set baseline for a specific task. Now we have to save this file. So now we have to save the file as lab2_outcome_7I. So this is how lab2_outcome_7i file looks like. So now we have to create a Word file which is nothing but lab2_final_outcome document. We have to, so I have already created a Word file. So this is how it looks like. So you have to insert a new table with four columns and 6 rows. And you have to insert phases, total project cost, actual cost and remaining cost. And for all the phases, you have to enter the total project cost and actual cost and remaining cost. So you can get the values. If you go to task sheet, you can find the total cost is nothing but cost, and actual cost and remaining cost you can find here. So insert these values into a Word file and now save the file. Into your lab2_outcomes folder, you have to save the file with your class ID, with your course number and lab2_final outcome. So your lab2 outcomes folder contains all these files along with your input data and final outcome file. So you have to compress it, follow the naming convention mentioned in your course website and submit your outcomes to your instructor. Thank you.